Once we were sitting around our Gurudeva Srila Goswami Bhaktivedanta Maharaja in our deep mart, Devananda Gaudiya Math. So many renowned sannyasis from Haridwar of Advaitavadi, very tall figure, very sound hair, very reddish whole body, very learned persons like that. They came to our mat and they were sitting with our Gurudeva. They asked that in Haridwar, in Rishikesh and other places in Kashi, we have so many big societies, mats, and in each of our temple, mandir or mutt, big gardens are there. Many kinds of flowers are there. But I hear there is no garden, nothing, no rose flowers, no other flowers, belly, cherry and others. Why you don't keep gardens in your mutts? He told that you are not seeing. Very beautiful garden is here, and think that you have no eyes to see this garden. You are saying that more than 100 Vaishnavas are here, very little boy, young age. This is my garden. And these are very beautiful flower plants. Rose flower only give sent for some distance, but these flowers get sent in whole world. So I think now that wherever I went to Western or Eastern countries, in England, in Holland, in Russia, even in Russia, France, Germany, in Western countries, here, Houston, Los Angeles, San Francisco, in Australia, in South America, everywhere there are very beautiful gardens. So I am happy to be in one of the very pure garden here. You are all the plants of flowers that Swamiji has planted with his own hand. I think myself fortunate to obey the orders of Swamiji, that I planted so many flowers, beautiful creepers everywhere. So you should try to help that my garden should not be dry. A garden is there, so beautiful plants, but no water, then today or after today or someday it will dry. So water is always needed. When it will be very big tree, then you cannot give water, but Krishna will give water in rainy season. So no fear for drying. until they are not matured up to bhav, association, hearing and kirtan, this is like water, it should be given. Otherwise, it has come to Shraddha, it has come to Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, even to Bhav. If water is not given, then it will drop. When Bhav will come, then nothing worried, that the plants will dry. So up to that time, we should try to be associated with very bona fide Vaishnavas. In the line of our Gurudeva, I have so much affection for my Gurudeva, and he can give nectar in the same line of Harikatha. So Swamiji Maharaj, in his last days, he ordered me that you should help my devotees. Also my Gurudev ordered me to preach, to write books, periodical magazines and everything. So I wanted to preach and write and go everywhere, but I was not qualified. I've never dreamed that I will come to America, I will come to this place, I will go to Australia, Singapore, Malaysia, in South America, here and there, in Africa. But I don't know how he managed. I think that Krishna himself, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Swamiji, is making all arrangement for me. Especially I am happy. Mostly I am happy that wherever I go, I see that so many senior and sincere devotees of Swamiji himself, arranging everything. When I went in Australia, so many senior devotees of Swamiji helped me so much that I was so much happy. I was melted, my heart was melted. When I came here, some persons told that you should not post Narayana Maharaj anywhere in England or America or anywhere. But Swamiji arranged. So I am so much indebted to my Shiksha Guru, Sri Swami Maharaj, that he personally inspired devotees to help me. Because I have not come for my self-gain, nothing. Only to follow the orders, carry the orders of my Guru Varga, Shiksha Guru, Diksha Guru and all others. I have nothing to gain. But I think that if I may help devotees who are neglected, who have no means to be associated and no means to develop their Krishna consciousness, pure devotion of Krishna, which please Krishna, then there will be joy. Srila Bhaktivedanta Thakur has told that in this world, pure bhakti is very rare, very rare. I think that very rare person will know what is pure devotion. He has not written so much in Jaiva Dharma and so everywhere in the explanation of Chaitanya Charitamrita, Amrit Prabha Bhashya, perhaps you know, he has written. There's so many articles. A very little book is Tattva Vivek. Very good book. You should try to read it. What is pure? The cultivation of activities solely for the benefit of Krishna, or for Krishna, or for the devotees of Krishna. So please only do that. Not polluted with any kind of gyan, karma, yoga, tapasya, anything. Now, everywhere in world, especially in India, they tell that we are following pure Krishna Bhakti. But Srila Prabhupada told that in all world, which is going in the name of pure Bhakti, is not pure. All are polluted. Mishra Bhakti. Contaminated. Mixed. So it is very important to give this pure Bhakti to all world. I told what I told in England, my class, that Vasudev has divided 4 Vedas. He has written Vedanta Sutra. He has written Mahabharata, all the Purans, everything. He has spread all kinds of knowledge. What is Jiva Tattva, Maya Tattva, Krishna, and all other thoughts. But he was not satisfied. There will be no supreme anything, Tattva, that he has expressed in Vedanta Sutra. All acharyas have explained this. Without explaining, anyone cannot be acharya. But even he had did this, he was not happy. Why? He had not explained the glories of gopis, the Brajavasis. To glorify Krishna, it is essential to glorify his mother, Nanda Yashoda, his friend Siddhanta Sakha, and mostly, prominently, the glories of gopis, to whom Krishna was indebted. And he was telling, Napareham nirvadya sanja. I cannot repay gopis who has given their hearts, their husband, their all kinds of religion, even shyness, lok dharma, everything. There is no example of any so pure devotee like gopis. Krishna has repaid all, but not gopis. So, Narayana is telling him that you have not glorified gopi pain, Radha pain, who is Srimati Radhika, who are gopis, who Nanda Yashoda and all. So you do it, and then you will be happy. Then by bhakti, yoga, we show all these things as if they were in the hands by bhakti. Everything. And then we give for all the persons to be here. So I will try by Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, and by Chaitanya Charitamrita, regular classes, as we did in Australia, Chaitanya Charitamrita, first chapter, first, second, third and fourth special chapters. So here we will try to discuss all these things so that we can easily develop your Krishna consciousness. Perhaps from tomorrow our classes will begin in the evening. In the evening, you will see it.
Yes, I think we'll have a lot more devotees, so we'll have the classes in the pavilion that we have built.
Where? In temple?
Yeah, no, right near our house here, 100 yards, 100 meters, there's a pavilion we have constructed
Let
for
them
this.
all come,
Yes,
and then
we want to show you.
so from tomorrow we will begin our classes, kirtan, everything. In the line of all Swamiji, to please Swamiji and Krishna and my Guru, Srila Prabhupada, the Bhaktivedanta, Srila Goswami Thakur. And thus we will be able to understand what is pure Bhakti, Krishna Prema, Bhakti. We will take rest and we have come 5 hours. I'm feeling so much happy to be among you. So many devotees coming from Australia, very hungry and thirsty for Krishna Bhakti nectar. I'll be happy to be among, and I will be inspired by the Lord. So many thanks to you all. Hari Hari Bol.